Good morning, students. Standard 5, Subject Maths and Term 1. Unit 5, Time. Generally, how we will see the time? With the help of the clock. And the clock has 3 hands. In that, one hand is very short and thicker. That is called as hour hand. And the another hand is long and thicker. That is called as minute hand. And the remaining one hand is very thin and long. This hand is called as second hand. And the clock has 2 formats. That means 2 time formats. One is 12 hours and the another one is 24 hours. Let's see about that time formats. 12 hours clock. Generally, we are using the 12 hours clock only. When we want the time, we simply use this clock only. And in this clock, we are using 2 times. One is AM, another one is PM. So, what is AM and what is PM? So, AM means ante-meridiem. That means before midday. Here, midday denotes 12 o'clock. And PM, it is post-meridiem. This denotes after 12 o'clock or after midday. So, when we say the time, we will use this term to denote whether it is morning or evening. With the help of the terms, we can simply identify that. Next one is 24 hours clock. But in 24 hours clock, we will not use this AM and PM. We simply use the term as hours. And where is the 24 hours clock will be used? The 24 hours clock will be used in railways. That means to denote the time in railway and in defense department and television and internet and so on. And the 24 hours time format always written with 4 digits. That means for hours we will use 2 digits and for minutes we will use 2 digits. So totally you have 4 digits. See, they will always write the 24 hours format like this: 00 and 00. Conversion 12 hours to 24 hours. How to convert 12 hours to 24 hours? Let's see that with an example. First example is 9:35 AM. So it is in AM. This denotes that this is 12 hours clock. We are going to convert this 12 o'clock into 24 hours clock. Let's see that how to convert. Step number 1, remove AM. So after removed AM, we have 9:35 only. Step 2, if the hours have 1 digit, add a 0 in the beginning. See, a 24 hours clock always written in 4 digit. But here how many digit we have? Totally we have 3 digit only. And in the hours place we have only 1 digit. That's why we are adding 1 0 in the hours place. And we have to add a 0 before that hours. So what will you get? You will get 09 is to 35. And you have to denote hours. If you are writing the time in 24 hours, you have to denote this as hours. Let's see one more example for this. The second example is 6:15 PM. See, what is the time they are used here? It is PM. So, if this happened, what will you do? Let's see that. Step 1, remove the PM. So, you will get what? 6:15. And step 2, add 12 hours. Why we are adding 12 hours? Because this is PM. That means it is after midday. If it is after midday, when you are converting this 12 hours to 24 hours, you have to add 12 with it. So let's we add this. You have what? 6:15, and we are going to add 12 hours or 12 with it. When you are adding 12, you have to write that in hours place. So this is hours place. That's why we are writing 12 here. And what about the minutes place? Here you don't have anything. So simply put 0 for this. Let's we add both of this. 5 plus 0 you will get 5. And 1 plus 0 you will get 1. And here what will come? This symbol will come is 2. Next you have to add 6 plus 12. 6 plus 2 you will get what? 8. And the next number is what? 1. So what will you get now? 18 is to 15 hours. Or it is 18, 15 hours. Let's see more conversion on this. Here they gave you 12 hours clock, and let's see what will happen when we are converting this into 24 hours clock. First one is 12 midnight. So it is also evening. This midnight denotes it is also evening. So you have to add 12 with it. So when you add 12 with 12, that means 12 with another one 12. What will you get? 0 plus 0, 0, and 0 plus 0, 0. Next this symbol will come. Next 2 plus 2, you will get what? 4. And 1 plus 1, you will get what? 24. That means you will get what? 24 hours. Because if it is 24 hours clock, you have to mention this as hours. So what will you get? You will get 24 hours. But you can say this as in another one way, that is 0000 hours. Because one full day is completed there. Let's move to the next one. 20 AM. Here see, the first one always denotes, that means this 0 always denotes which place? Hours place. And the second one always denotes minutes place. See, in the hours place you don't have anything. Simply 0 is there. And in minutes place what you have? 20. And what is the term they are using here? AM. So we are going to write this as 24 hours format. When you are writing this, first thing what will you do? 24 hours format always be written in 4 digit only. So see this hours place, you have only 10 there. So before that 0 you have to add 10. So what will you get here? First you will get 0, 0. Next you have to put S2 symbol. Next you have what? 20. And after that what will you get? You have AM. This means it is morning. So if it is morning, you don't need to write anything. That means you don't need to add 12 with it. So simply write what you have in minutes place. So what will you get? You will get 20. And this is what? 24 hours, right? So after this you have to write hours. So the actual time is what? 20, 0 and 20. 0 is to 20 hours. That means this denotes it is just 20 minutes. Let's see the next one. It is 0 is to 49 AM. How we will mention this? So here also see the first place. That means in hours place you have only 1 digit. And totally you have 3 digit only. But the railway time or the 24 hours time always be written in 4 digit. So before this 0 you have to add 1 0. So there you will get 2 zeros. Next is 2. Next what you got here? 49 AM. It is in AM. So don't need to change anything. Just remove AM, right? So you will get 49. And you must denote this what? As hours. So you have to put as what? Hours. So the answer is 00 is to 49 hours. Let's see the third one. It is 1 AM, right? So first thing is what? See, this is AM. So first thing what will you do? You have to remove this AM. So let's remove this AM. Now you got what? 1. So now you see how many digits it has? 3 digits only. So what will you do? You have to add one more digit. Where will you add? See the R's place. In R's place only you have one digit. So you have to put 1 0 before R's place. Now you got what? 0 1 and 0 0. After this you have to put what? R's. So what is the answer you will get here? 0 1 is to 0 0 R's. Let's see the next one. 4 AM. So 4 AM. This is AM. So what will you do? Just remove this AM. And now you have what? 4 is to 0 0. You have how many digits? 3 digits. And in R's place you have only 1 digit, but the minutes place has 2 digits. So don't need to worry about the minutes place, and simply see the R's place. You have 4 only. So you have like this, 4 is to 0 0. So before that 0 you have to put what? 1 0. Now we got 1 0 4 is to 0 0. And this is which time? R's time. So you have to put what? R's here. So what will you get? 0 4 is to 0 0 R's. Let's see the next one. 5:30 AM. So 5:30 AM. So for this also what will you do? First see, you have to remove this AM. Step number 2, what will you do? See the digits. Here you have 3 digits only, and in R's place you have only 1 digit. So before that you have to put 1 0. Now see, now what you got? 0 5 is to 30. And this is what now? R's. So you have to mention this as what? R's. So the answer is what? 0 5. Sorry. So the answer is what? 0 5 is to 30 R's. Let's see the next one. It is 11:15 AM. So how will you denote this? 11, first write 11:15 AM. So first step what will you do? Remove AM. Okay, we will remove AM. Second step, see all the digits. How many digits you have? You have 4 digits. So you don't need to put any 0 in R's place, or you don't need to put any 0 in minutes place. So simply write the number as same. That is what? 11 is to 15. And we are converting this as now what? 24 hours format. So you have to write here as what? Hours. So HOURS. So what is the answer? 11:15 hours. Let's see the final one. It is 12 noon. See, this is 12 noon. If this happened, what will you do? Simply see this. We got what? 12 is to 0, and here they are telling about it is what? Noon. So if it is 12 noon, simply remove noon. And what you got now? 12. And it already has 4 digits. So simply write that 12 is to 0 0. And we are converting this as what? In 24 hours format. So you must write what? Hours here. So what is the answer you will get? 12 is to 0 0 hours, or it is 12 hours. Let's see the next example. So the first one is 12:01 PM. Let's see this. It is what? 12:01 and PM. So here they are telling about what? PM. So first step is remove PM. Okay, we removed PM. Next step is what? According to the rule for this, what will you do? We will add 12 with it, right? But for 12 to 12:59, you don't need to change anything if that is noon. Okay, if that is PM or if that is noon, that means 12 noon, 12:01, 12:02, 12:03, 12:04, 12:05 up to 12:59. No need to add 12 with it. After 1 and 1 o'clock only, you have to add 12 with it. If it is 1 PM or 1 PM or 1:15 PM, that time only you have to add 12 with it. But if that is 12 noon or 12 o'clock, then 12:01 PM or 12 PM, 12:03 PM, 12:15 PM up to 12:59 PM, you don't need to add with 12. So what will you get here? You will get here same thing only. You will get 12 1 hours only. So let's see that. What will you get here? You will get 12 and 1. After that, this is what? 24 hours format. So you have to put 12 1 hours here. That means 12 is to 0 1 hours. Next thing is 12:59 hours. So 12:59. So this is actually before 1 o'clock, right? So 1 o'clock and after 1 o'clock only, if it is PM, you have to add 12 with it. So before 1 o'clock. So it is also 12, it is also PM only, but it is before 1 o'clock. If this happened, you don't need to add 12 with it. Simply write what is the time you have. Here what time you have? You have 12:59. So this is actually, it is not 1 o'clock. So you don't need to add 12 with it. First thing, what will you do? You have what? PM here. So just remove PM. Second step, count all the digits. You already have 4 digits. So no need to change anything here. Simply write the time. That is 12 is to 59. After that, this is which time now? This is now 24 hours time. So you have to put hours here. So what will you get? You will get 12 is to 59 hours. Let's see the final one. Sorry, third one. This is 13 hours. Sorry, the third one is what? 1 PM. See, 1 PM. So first step, what will you do? Remove PM. Next see, this is actually what? 1 PM. So you must add 12 with it. So let's add 12 with it. What will you get? 0 plus 0. Here you will get 0. 0 plus 0. Here you will get 0. Next you have to put the symbol is 2. Next to 2 plus 1, you will get 3. And here 1 is there. So you have to put what? 1. So what you got now? 13. Or 13 is to 0, 0. This is actually now what? Hours. So you have to mention this as what? 13 hours. Let's see the next one. That is what? 4 PM. So 4 is to 0, 0 PM. Step 1, you have to remove this PM. Okay, let's remove this PM. Step 2, see how many digits you have? 4 is to 0, 0. You have 3 digits only. So before that you have to put what? 0. Step 3, what will you do? This is actually 4 PM. This is actually after 1 o'clock. So you have to add 12 with it. So 12 then is 2. After that you have to put 2 zeros. Now you are going to add this. 0 plus 0, you will get 0. 0 plus 0, you will get 0. Next you have to put into is to symbol. Next 4 plus 2, you will get 6. Next 0 plus 1, you will get 1. After that, this is actually how much? Which format? 24 hours format. So you have to put here what? 24. Sorry, put here hours. So what will you get? 16 is to 0, 0 hours or 16 hours. Let's see the next one. That is 5:20 PM. See what? 5:20 PM. Step 1 is what? Remove PM. Step 2, see all the digits, 3 digits only. So, in the hours place, you have only 1 digit. So, you have to put 0 here. Now, what will you do? You are going to add with 12. So, 12 is in which place? Hours place. So, in minutes place, you don't have anything. But you must put 2 zeros there. Now, add both of this. 0 plus 0, you will get 0. Next 2 plus 0, you will get 2. And next is 2 symbol. Next 5 plus 2, you will get 7. Next 0 plus 1, you will get 1. So now you got what? 17 is to 20. So now this is what? Hours. So the answer is what? 17 is to 20 hours. Let's see the next one. That is 9:45 PM. So 9:45 PM. Step 1, remove p.m. After that, count all the digits. How many digits you have? 3 digits. And in ours place, you have only 1 digit. So, before 9, you have to put 1 0. Now, this will become 4 digits. Okay. After this, what will you do? Add 12 with it. Because this is p.m. and this is after 1 o'clock. So, you have to add 12 with it. So, 12 is 2. Next, you have to put 2 zeros here. After this, add both of this. 5 plus 0, you will get 1, 5. And 4 plus 0, you will get 1, 4. After that, you have to put is 2 symbol. So, put is 2. Next, 9 plus 2, you will get what? 11. And 1 will come here and 1 will come here. In this place, it will become carry. Next, 1 plus 0, you will get 1 only. Again, 1 plus 1, you will get what? 2. So, now we got what? 21 is to 45. This is actually what? Hours. So, you have to put what? 21 is to 45 hours. See the next one. It is 11:30 p.m. So, it is what? 11:30 p.m. Step 1, remove p.m. Step 1, remove p.m. Step 2, what will you do? You have to see all the digits. All the digits are 4. So, you don't need to add anything here. Next, what will you do? This is p.m. So, you have to add 12 with it. So, 12 is to 0, 0. Now, add both of this. 0 plus 0, you will get 0. And 3 plus 0, you will get 3. And here is 2 symbol will come. Next, 1 plus 2, you will get 3. Next, 1 plus 1, you will get 2. So, now what you got? 23 hours. 23 is to 30 hours. Let's see the final one, that is 12 midnight. So, 12 midnight. See, what will you do? 12 midnight. That is actually 12 is to 0, 0. Here they didn't mention that minutes place. But in minutes place, what will come? 0, 0. And this is what? Midnight. So, remove midnight and you have to add 12 with this. So, 12 is to 0, 0. Add both of this. Here 0 plus 0, you will get 0. Here 0 plus 0, you will get 0. Next is 2. 2 plus 2, you will get 4. And 1 plus 1, you will get what? 24. This is actually which format? 24 hours format. So, you have to put hours here. So, now we got what? 24 hours. And another one thing, in this place, that means in 24 hours, the one day is fully finished or one day is completed. So, it will be a beginning of the new day. So, you can write this same time as 0, 0 is to 0, 0 hours. That means 0, 0 is to 0, 0 hours. Let's try some more. The standard time is 3:30 a.m. So, 3:30 a.m. So, you change this as what? Railway time. How to change this? Step 1, you have to remove a.m. Step 2, count all the digits. In minutes place, that's okay. You have 2 digits. Hours place, you have only 1 digit. So, you have to put 1 0 before that digits. Now, what you got? 03 is to 30. And this is AM. So, no need to change anything. So, what is the answer you will get here? You will get here 03 is to 30 hours. Let's see the second one. That is what? 4:15 p.m. So, for this 4:15 p.m. See, first thing, remove p.m. Now, what you got? 4 is to 15. And in hours place, you have only 1 digit. So, before that, you have to put 1 0. Next, this is actually p.m. So, you have to add 12 with it. So, 12 is to 0, 0. Now, add, what will you get? 5 plus 0, you will get 5. And 1 plus 0, you will get 1. Next, put that symbol as 2. Next, 4 plus 2, you will get 6. And 0 plus 1, you will get 1. So now what you got actually? 0 is to 16 hours. Sorry, 16 is to 15 hours. So here you have to write 16 is to 15 hours. Next one is what? They didn't give the standard time, but they simply gave the railway time. What it was? It is 12:50 hours. 12:50 hours. So if it is 12 p.m. or 12:01 p.m. or 12:02 p.m. or 12:50 p.m., what will you do? Just write what you had there, because there is no change when it comes to railway time. So here what will come? Here it is actually 12:50 p.m. Next, let's see the next one. Next one also they didn't give the standard time. They simply gave the railway time, that is 20:15 hours. So how will you find out the answer? So 20:15 hours. For this, how to convert this is, you have to subtract 12 hours from this. So let's see, subtract from 12 hours from this, then only we will get the standard time. So let's see, subtract this. So 5 minus 0, you will get what? 5. 1 minus 0, you will get what? 1. Next is 2 symbol. Next here is what? 0. 0 minus 2 is not possible. Borrow 1 from here. This will become 1 and this will become what? 10. So 10 minus 2, you will get 8. And here 1 minus 1, you will get what? 0. So this is actually what? 8:15 p.m. So you have to write what? 8:15 p.m. Let's see the next one. They gave you the standard time. Here, what's the value they gave to you? 12 is to 25 p.m. So how we will find out the hours? So for this, 12 is to 25 p.m. or 12:25 p.m. So 12 o'clock, 12:01 up to 12:59, whether it is p.m., what will you do? You just write the same value again here. So what will come here? Here you have to write, it is 12:25 hours. That's all. Coming to the next one, it is 1:55 p.m. So this is actually what? After 1 o'clock. So see this, they already gave 01:55 p.m. So they already gave in 4 digit. Step number 1, remove p.m. Next see, you have 4 digit. So just add 12 with it. So 12 is to 0, 0. Now add this 5 plus 0, 5. Again 5 plus 0, you will get 5. Next put that symbol. Next 1 plus 2, you will get 3. Next 0 plus 1, you will get what? 1. So what is the answer you will get here? 13.55 hours. Let's see another one. Write the AM or PM. So let's see the first one. That is Ravi start the school at 8:45. Actually, when the school will be started, the school will be always started from the morning, right? So morning is always considered in AM and the evening will always considered in PM. So here what will come? AM. And the second one, Ramya eats lunch at 1. When we are eating the lunch, afternoon only. That means it is 1 o'clock is actually what? PM. So the answer is what? 1 PM. Next, third one. Afrin sees the moon at 8:20. This is actually evening or night it will happen, right? So it will consider what? PM. So it is what? 8:20 PM. Next, fourth one. Kavi goes to the bed at 9. We will go to the bed at 9. 9 means night only, or evening or night only we will go to the bed. So here what will happen? PM will come. It is 9 PM. And fifth one, the sun rises at 6:10. Sun will always rise in the morning only. So morning means what will come here? Here AM will come. Thank you.